How can I learn Bitcoin trading? Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency in the world, has brought a revolutionary change in the financial world as a possible replacement of fiat currencies. It is used as a method of investment and a medium of transaction in other currencies, products, and services. Investors often see Bitcoin as an opportunity to gain profits and have shown a vested interest in its growth. But what is Bitcoin trading? Bitcoin trading is basically the exchange of Bitcoins between two parties, generally over a trading exchange. And why should you trade in Bitcoin? Bitcoin brings various benefits over normal fiat currency. Some of these are: decentralized governance. Bitcoin is not a fiat currency, which means that it is not related to the economy and policies of any particular country. 24/7 availability. Unlike the stock markets, Bitcoin is open 24/7 as there are no official exchange hours for it. Volatile nature. Unlike fiat currencies, Bitcoin is famous for its rapid and frequent price movements, which helps the traders earn quickly and make great profits. So how do you trade in Bitcoin? It is very simple. All you have to do is find a Bitcoin wallet like Exodus, choose the right Bitcoin trader like an exchange, PCEX, select a payment method like credit card, buy some Bitcoins and store them in the wallet. Voila! You are ready to start using Bitcoins for your transactions and investments. The different types of Bitcoin trading that you can invest in are day trading, scalping, and swing trading. To learn more about the world of cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, log on to www.pcex.io. Don't forget to like, share, and comment to share your views.